Okay, when I was talking about just earlier about the up counters with the synchronous up counters, this is a synchronous down counter. Now, whenever you're doing these counters with these JK flip flops, you got to understand there's no circle right there. There's no circle right there, right? So since there's no circle right there or there, what does that mean? It means that it resets or sets at a one, at a high. So that means we've got to put both of them to lows instead of high if there's a circle. No circle there. We've got no circles there. Okay. You notice also the clock is on the up because there's no circle before. Anyhow, that gives you an idea. Now, here's the only difference between an up counter and a down counter with JK flip flops is the fact that we're coming off of the Q bar. See that? How the Q bar goes to JK right here? And then this one, the Q bar goes here, the Q bar goes to this AND gate, and then it comes up to the JK. If we had another one, this AND gate then would go to the next AND gate, and the Q bar here would go to here, and then up to the next JK. Okay, the clock is sent to all three of them. And if I were to play this now, you'll notice that it will work. I can't put a display here because they don't have the regular display. They just have a 7-second display. And I'm not sure if this MultiSim Live has a display driver. So we've got to go with just the lights. And I'm fine with that. So you'll notice here, if I play this here, so you can see it counting down right there. This one will go off. Now these two will go off. This one will go off. This one will be on. Then this one will go on. Then it will go off. Then all three of them will be back on. And it's counting down. You can kind of see that. The lights I know are hard to see, but now these two are on. That one's off. This one goes off. This one goes on. Then these two go on, and so forth. It's a down counter. Now, a couple things to note about. I did find the digital clock is right here, and there's the digital constant, the high right there. Okay. Digital clock, if I double click on that, this opens up. I can close this by clicking this button up here. So if I want to open that back up, I'm going to double click there, or and then I can change my frequency to 8. I changed it to hertz. It was 1K, 1000 hertz. I changed it to 3 and it was too slow. Now I changed it to 8 and it seems to work pretty well. You can go higher or lower, however you feel like doing it, okay? Anyhow, there's duty cycle of 50% and so forth. We talked about duty cycles. So anyhow, you get the idea. That's how this works, okay? This is a down counter. A 3-bit down counter. Okay, you can see how also the lights have to have a ground to it as well. One side is the high coming to, the other side is the ground. Okay, that's all.